Hi, it's Davita. Welcome to Abstract and Flow. We're going to do a short video. I am working on a tray. This is a wooden tray that I have stained the sides and the bottom. And I'm going to resin the flat surface here after the painting is dried. So the colors I'm using today will be Liquitex Basics, medium magenta, Amsterdam's pearl white, and Amsterdam's bronze. My base is going to be white, and for that I am using Winsor Newton's titanium white. My consistency is, let's see. Oh, I'm sorry. You can see we have, let's see, a little bit of a mound. Although it didn't have a mound 5 minutes ago, but it has a mound now. So I might add just a touch more water because I don't want it this thick. I have my pearl white in this little container. Here's a little bit of my magenta I'll be using. And because I stained the tray a more so of a wood grain color, I wanted to keep the color sort of light so it doesn't overpower the color of the stain. So let's add a little touch of water to this. Yeah, because it's a little bit too thick from what I wanted. So just a touch of water. And let's see how it looks. I stir it up. Okay. We're going to go with this. Okay. I know it didn't look that different to you, but it feels different to me. So the first thing I'm going to do is lay down the bronze. And I want sort of like a 6 type design coming from this direction and going around, something like that. We will see if that's what happens. Okay. See if I can get a fin. Since I don't have any more squirt bottles. Okay, so I'm going to try to lay down. Now, I'm laying my paint down without a base first, because I don't want the paints to sink or get swallowed up by the base. So that's why I'm doing it this way. My pearl white. And some of the magenta. I just want a hint of color mostly want the bronze to be the star. Of this pour. Now I'm going to take my titanium white and I'm going to go right up against those colors. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to take my blow dryer and it's on low and cool. Looks like my hint of magenta is disappearing in my bronze. So let's fix that. Okay, fingers crossed. Here we go. Okay. Now, I was a little concerned about the paint splattering up on the edges. So I'm going to get a tissue and fix that. But I think once this is resined, it is going to be beautiful. I love the way the bronze and the pink combination played very well. That was a good mix. And just the pearl white to break up the bronze and the magenta as it blew out. So I'm very happy with this. Thanks for watching. You all stay safe out there. Be blessed. See you next pour. Bye.